it drive at that first shiny cone, but I want you looking at 2 or 3 past it. Set your wheel. Okay, up a little bit, up a little bit, get in tighter, good, good. Back to your throttle sub. A little tighter, little tighter, little tighter, because it's going to help you on the exit. Okay, now there you go, good, good. Backside them. This is a tricky one, it's a double. Stay to the right. Yep, back in. Good, good, good. You're making the cone chasers happy. Alright, where's your, do you know which side you're going on? Forgot to look, didn't you? Out a little bit too wide, but that's okay. Happens to be on this side. Good. Got it. Earlier. Turn it. There you go. Okay. We need mostly to work on the look ahead portion.
Okay.
Right hand off of this one. There you go. Good. Get your turn in there. Alright. Good, good, good. Hold your wheel. Good. You're getting right on. That's good, man. Which way you going? Look where you're going. Straighten up. Good, 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 good. Alright, on that cone, on that cone. Barely miss it. Barely miss it. Stay out. Tighter, tighter, tighter. Good, good, good. Alright, wiggle a little bit to get through that. Good. Good, good, good. Keep her going. Right on top of it. Where's your turnaround? It's on the other side this time, I believe. Come in tight. Whoop, way too out. Way too far out. Alright, that's alright. Next time we'll get that one better. I can tell you're still worried about that back end stepping out because you wouldn't brake in that time. What we need to do. Alright, a little bit more. Alright, hold your steering input. Push her a little bit. Look at where you're going. There you go, good. Alright, right on top of it. Right on top of it. Give her a little bit of gas. There you go. Keep going. Going. Good. Right on top of it. Right on top of it. Good. Good. Gas, gas, gas. Good. Stay on it. Stay on it. Alright, it's on the right hand side. Out left. Brake. Brake hard. Come in tight. Really tight. Gas, gas, gas. Good. Alright, there it is. 5687. Alright. That's a lot. Alright. Harder, harder. Set your wheel. Alright, give her some. Good, good, good. Bring it in tighter. Lift a little bit. Lift a little bit. Get it in tighter. Good, good. Alright. Throttle. Pick it up a bit. Pick it up a bit. Good. Good, good. Whoop. That's alright. That's alright. We missed one. We'll get it next time. Alright. Good. Hang in there. Alright. All the way to the left. All the way left. Brake, 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 brake. Hard, hard, hard. Came in too early. It's alright. Keep going. Get on it. Good, good, good. That was better. But you're still doing what I'm going to call a trucker's mistake. Look at that. Push it there. There you go. Get in. Get in. You're doing real well on the circle. Just stay with it. And tighter and tighter. Let it a little bit. Get back to the gas. Let up a little bit. Pull this one in tight. Back to the gas. Alright, stay on them. Tight, tight. Give her gas, give her gas. Don't coast, keep her going. Stay out. Go back in for that one. Good job, you got it. Good, good, good. Push it a little bit, push it a little bit. Cone still in the same place. Alright, go out to the left and stay. Stay out. Now turn in. Tight, tight, tight. That's better. Go on it, go on it. Good, good, good. Gas. Gas, 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 gas. No turn, gas, gas, gas. Look at that. 51.7, and you run. There. Okay. Turn. Get a little speed up. Good. Lift. Turn. Turn. Little gas. Turn. Little throttle. All the way around. Good. Turn. Gas. All right. And go. Turn. You're gonna miss it right there. Turn. Turn. Give it a little gas. Give the gas. Good. Turn. Try to get it. Turn. Start feeding a little gas. Good. Excellent. Good. It's your braking point. Turn. Good. Start on one end wheel. Get around. Good. Stay on it. Turn. Gas. 40.65, so that's 3 seconds better, but good, you know. Good. Turn. Good. Do a brief lift. Turn. Start feeding a little gas. Good. Little lift. Turn. Now gas. Stay on it. Look all the way down. Turn. Good. Look around. Look where you're going. Easy. Brake. Good now. So you're a little late. Turn. Oh, turn. Nice. Much better. 40.1. And you didn't get it. Gas. Go. Good. Brief lift. Turn. Good. Slow gas on it. Little gas. Speed gas. Big gas. Go. Lift. Turn. Gas. Get on the gas. Stay on it. Stay on it. Little lift. Turn. Little gas. Brake. Look all the way around. Good. Gas. Stay on it. Lift. Turn. Gas. 40.6. That's your best time. Nice job.
Good. Hard right. Now it's going to be a pretty hard left. All right. You're looking for a slalom. Here you go. Make an S. All right. Another S. Gas. Lift up. All right. Carry it. Good. Gas. Look at there. You move the cone. Brake. Good. Hard turn. Good. All right. Gas. Just a right and a left. Gas. Straight. Gas. And good. Oh, wow. Okay. Here we go. Good. All right, good. Good hustle. Hard left. All right, make that S. Accelerate. And gas. Gas. Got to make that S. Brake. Right. Gas. 38.0 plus 2. Hard left. All right, make that S. Here we go, make an S. All right, ease up, ease up. Make another S. Gas, gas, gas. All right, make an S. Wide open, go, 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 go. Brake, 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 brake. Ease up. Right, right. Ah, oh, I don't know how you missed that. But look at that, 2.5 seconds. Right, good, wide open. Good. Hard right. Hard left. All right, get some speed. Build it up, build it up. All right, ease up. All right, good. Keep that speed. Keep it going. Keep it going. Gas, 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 gas. Brake, 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 brake. Sharp, sharp, sharp. Good, good. Good, good, good. Gas, gas, gas. Good. 36.7 plus 1.